Uninsured and underinsured motorist cases often surprise people because once you file that claim, your insurance company has reason to challenge it and they act like they're the other insurance company. Many times people are involved in crashes with other people who don't have insurance or don't have enough insurance to cover all of the harms and damages that they caused. Therefore, you have uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. In those circumstances, your own insurance company can make sure you're entitled to compensation for what the other driver caused. In other words, your insurance company will essentially become the insurance company for the other driver. When you bring an uninsured or underinsured motorist claim, it's important to know that your insurance company is responsible for paying whatever harms or damages you sustained in the accident. Therefore, while you think of your insurance company being your friend and having your back, actually it's the opposite in an uninsured motorist case or underinsured motorist case. They're going to challenge the fault. They're going to challenge your injuries. They're going to challenge your damages. So it's important to know that while they're your insurance company, they're going to be acting on behalf of the other driver. Because your insurance company is responsible for whatever the other driver caused, they're going to raise all the defenses that the other driver would have, all the excuses, all the reasons not to pay. That would include claiming that your injuries were pre-existing, that you had them before and they weren't caused by the crash. They're also going to look at any delays in treatment or any inconsistencies you may have in your medical records. When you have an uninsured motorist case or underinsured motorist case, even though it's your insurance company, you should still act as if every move you make will be questioned. Make sure you're openly honest with your doctors, you tell them the truth, and you document all of your conditions moving forward. Therefore, it's very important that you follow doctor's orders for a couple of reasons. From a medical perspective, it's important that you obtain the best recovery possible from your injuries by following doctor's orders. From a legal perspective, anytime you don't follow doctor's orders, that can be used against you in your case. If you're dealing with an insurance company and need help protecting your rights, call us at 317-269-2509 for a free case evaluation.